This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Williamson. Want a house less than a mile from downtown Blue Ridge? Totally redone home, low maintenance, move-in ready, everything has already been done for you? See list of improvements in documents. Everything on one level, large master bedroom, large kitchen with plenty of cabinets, separate dining area, drive-through garage, back deck, front porch. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Williamson at 706-633-9847.